When we're out boondocking, Sagan usually helps me turn the hand crank washing machine. Or sometimes, if we're parked next to another family, their kids will come over and help out. Who can resist playing in a little mud, right? Washing clothes in an RV isn't all that different from washing clothes in a house to a toddler. Right now we're mooch docking in Pagosa Springs with our good friends Alice and Robbie. And my special little helper knew exactly what to do. Socks. Underwear. Okay, you're gonna close it now?
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep. And push the start button, please. Yes! Good job, that's it. Now stand back. Stand back, let's watch.